Make the girls breakfast. Yes, stepmother. Losers. After breakfast. Oh, man, that was so good. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Now what? I don't know. Just wait for the mail. I don't know. Come on, Skittles, wake up. Good, that's a good girl. Wait, what? Waitin'. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ding dong. It's the mail. Cinderella, get the door. But you're right next to it. Don't backtalk me. Yep, yes, stepmother. The prince is having a ball? What? What did you say? Nothing, stepmother. Here's your paper. The prince is having a ball, girls. Yay. Look for part 2.